Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Panamera. As you can see, Porsche didn't experiment with the car's design. They stuck with the Porsche philosophy that form should follow function. Nothing else would have made sense. Nothing else would have produced a four-seater Porsche. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, power passenger seat, navigation system, power liftgate, passenger airbag, driver airbag, Bluetooth, power steering, anti-theft security system, climate control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.